So, you've probably heard about digital products, maybe even thought about creating one. But then the hurdles pop up: design skills, coding knowledge, upfront investment. What if I told you that's old news? You can create a digital product and sell it by tonight. No design skills, no code, no startup costs. Seriously. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a Notion template with AI and get it listed for sale in 3 steps. It's simpler than you think, and the potential to create a real income stream is definitely there. What's up, everyone? I'm Aurora, and this is AI Hustles. This is the spot where I break down how to start actual online income streams, all by leveraging free tools and a bit of smart strategy. No gatekeeping, just actionable advice. Today we're diving deep into the world of Notion templates. We're not just talking about making them, we're talking about using AI to accelerate the process and then getting your first product up on a digital shelf, ready for customers. If you've been looking for a low barrier entry into selling digital goods, this is it. The beauty of Notion templates is their versatility and the relatively low effort required to create something valuable, especially when you bring AI into the mix. Think about it. Planners, trackers, organizers. These are things people actively search for and are willing to pay for. And with the method I'm showing you today, you're not starting from a blank page. AI will do a lot of the initial heavy lifting, and Notion itself provides all the design tools you need. So grab a coffee, open up your browser, and let's build your first Notion product and list it for sale. Alright, so the very first thing we need to tackle before we even think about AI or Notion is deciding on your niche. This is pretty crucial because a focused template is much easier to market and sell than a generic one. Think about what problems people are trying to solve. Popular niches include productivity planners, goal trackers, and budget templates. These are evergreen because they address common, ongoing needs. Don't overthink it at this stage. Pick something you understand or see a clear demand for. Once you've got a niche in mind, it's time to bring in our AI assistant. For this, we're going to use ChatGPT. It's free, it's powerful, and it's perfect for generating the foundational content of your template. The key here is that ChatGPT will help us brainstorm and structure the information that goes into the template. We're not asking it to design the template visually in Notion. That comes next. We're using it to outline sections, create lists, draft prompts for journaling, or even suggest categories for a budget. This step is all about getting the raw materials quickly and efficiently, saving you hours of staring at a blank screen. Now let's talk about prompting. The quality of what you get out of ChatGPT is directly related to the quality of your prompt. For our example, let's say we're building a weekly planner. A good prompt would be something like, create a comprehensive weekly planner structure suitable for a Notion template. Okay, so we've got our AI-generated content blueprint. Now it's time to head over to Notion and bring this template to life. The core principle here, and this is super important, is to design for simplicity and usability. Notion is incredibly powerful, and it's easy to get carried away with all the features, databases, and integrations. But for a sellable template, especially for users who might be new to Notion, clean and intuitive is the way to go. The goal is to make it look professional and be immediately understandable, not overwhelming. First impressions really count when someone duplicates your template. The good news is you don't need to be a graphic designer to make something look good in Notion. It has a fantastic set of built-in tools that are more than enough. We're talking about icons to visually differentiate sections, dividers to create clear separation, and columns to organize content neatly side by side. Using call-out blocks with different background colors can highlight important information or instructions. Even just choosing a consistent set of emojis or icons for similar types of content can make a huge difference in the overall polish. We're aiming for a clean, almost minimalist aesthetic that feels intentional and easy on the eyes. Now let's take that raw text content from ChatGPT and start structuring it within Notion. Your Notion template is ready. Let's list it on Gumroad. Gumroad is perfect for digital products. It's free to set up and they take a small percentage per sale. Create a seller account and follow the prompts. In Notion, enable share to web and allow duplicate as template. Copy the public link and paste it into Gumroad as the product file. Name your product clearly and upload a preview image. And just like that, you've done it. You've conceptualized a product, used AI to build it, designed it in Notion, and listed it on Gumroad. That's a complete digital product created and launched with zero upfront investment. The barrier to entry has never been lower with AI tools. This is a real asset, ready to generate passive income. So, that's the core process from idea to marketplace. But creating the product is just one part. The next big question is, how do you get people to see it and make that first sale? There's a whole strategy around marketing and promotion. Want me to walk through how to market your new Notion template and get your first sale? Again, using free or low-cost methods? Let me know down in the comments if that's something you'd find helpful. And of course, if you found this valuable, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for more zero-budget AI hustles. Building and selling digital products like Notion templates is a fantastic way to dip your toes into online entrepreneurship. It's scalable, it's creative, and as you've seen, it can be incredibly efficient. The key is to start, iterate, and learn as you go. Don't aim for perfection on your first try. Aim for completion and getting it out there. You can always refine and improve over time. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.